Hey y'all, welcome back. Loba's Crafts here, and today we're going to be doing a crochet whip and chat. This is something different, but this was a well-anticipated video. I'm just going to go over, like, slowly but surely, some of the favorite crochet channels that I'm actually enjoying at this time. Some of them are bigger YouTubers, some of them are smaller. So I'm going to go little by little the same way I did with my diamond painting video. Let me actually back out because I don't like being this close to you guys. There we go. I am working on my temperature blanket. I'm on row 38 at this time. I have 86 more rows to go, but this will have its own update video. I do have both the dogs with me. So jumping in, my first like absolute love, and actually I'm really I don't even know how I stumbled upon her. My first channel that I want to shout out is the Millie's Craft Studio. She's a person of color. She is basically more crochet and knitting. She does a lot of yarn hauls. She has really nice videos on the projects that she's working with. She likes to share updates about those, and she's just very soothing to listen to. I definitely just enjoy her content. She's an overall type of person, so I think that she's very awesome to utilize when it comes to just entering the crochet realm. Although she's incredibly seasoned, it's nice to see that she has content for those who are in their beginning stages of the crochet journey. Next is actually someone, I don't even know how I stumbled upon him either, is Juan the Yarn Addict. I would say he's a medium-sized YouTuber. He's getting up there. I believe he only started his channel about 6 months ago. I binged watched each and every single video that he has done up until this point. I absolutely love him. He does yarn hauls and he does whip and chats. He's actually ambidextrous as well. He does sign language, which is awesome. So you're also kind of getting a little bit of a different type of content with him. You can learn sign language alongside both right-handed and left-handed crochet with stitches, tutorials, things like that. He does a very interesting segment on his channel as well where he has like a wheel and he spins it, and I believe it's a blanket or it's like a specific project in which there's going to be a whole row of that stitch, whether it be right-handed or left-handed crochet. I enjoy that type of content because it goes to show you how you can utilize yarn and manipulate it in a way where it's very helpful. I like the fact that he is ambidextrous. I've never seen a crocheter on YouTube at this point that is able to provide both right and left-handed content. So I really do like that. I shared him with my sisters, who one of them is more crafty than the other, but it's still nice to utilize. Before I continue, I'm so sorry about the nails. I need to take them off. The next one is Essential Crochet with Sid. So she is a newer, very small YouTuber. I love her content. She does a lot of subscription box content. She goes through what she gets when it comes to her specific when she comes to her specific subscription boxes. I actually found her on a whim, and I'm glad I did. I believe that she has a lot of good information, especially for these crochet boxes. Although she makes beautiful, beautiful, beautiful items with those subscription boxes that obviously provide, hooks and yarn and things like that. She gives a real in-depth review as to if it's worth your money or not, or if it's more worth for you to look up something on YouTube, learn the stitch, learn the pattern, and continue from there. So I do appreciate her. Now the three next channels, I'm going to be honest with you guys, are bigger channels. They're more well-known channels, and I know that they're more well-known, but these are people that I honestly, although they are up there in numbers, they're people who I trust to give out good content. The first one is Miss Coffee. Miss Coffee is also a diamond painter. I mentioned her in my diamond painting video. So she also does crochet. She was originally Miss Crochet and Coffee. So with that being said, if you actually go really like in depth on her channel, she has a lot of easy crochet tutorials. She's starting them back up again, which I really appreciate, because you are now getting, again, different content. It's not just diamond painting from her. You're getting to see what she actually does. She's like myself, who is not only self-taught. My aunt taught me how to crochet, and I believe it was either her mother or grandmother that taught her how to crochet. So it's nice to connect with somebody who the craft got passed down versus you know, like you kind of just picking up a crochet hook, getting on YouTube and learning that. Sorry guys, my dogs are acting up. So yeah, I absolutely love her content, and she's very, like, same thing with the diamond painting. She knows what she's talking about. She knows how to get through it. She has tips and tricks that are useful, and I trust her opinions 100%. The next one is Elise Rose Crochet. So she is more on the amigurumi side as to why I selected her. I am still trying to find like a smaller channel that kind of provides the same amount of information that Elise Rose does, but she is awesome. I love her content, especially when it comes to the amigurumi. A lot of her tips have helped. And you guys will see that in my updated crochet solar system video. I will be providing you guys with that, because I did actually redo some of my planets, and I want to show you guys what changes I made, what the originals look like, and it's all due to her tips for amigurumi. So if you guys are looking to maybe dabble into that part of crochet, I would suggest her. Last but not least is probably my favorite out of everybody I just mentioned, and it's TL Yarn Crafts. If I didn't mention her, I'm pretty sure it would have been a crime. She is a person of color. She is another one, just like Miss Coffee, who she knows her stuff, and her patterns are easy. Her patterns are beautiful. She encourages the community in a different way that, for me, it's inspiring to pick up the needle, to really give it a shot. And even if you fail the first time, try again. She's very knowledgeable of the craft. She gives good tips and tricks. You know, even her, I think she has like her mom on a lot. And it's nice to see the back and forth on that as well. And to see, you know, generationally that this craft is not dying. It is encouraging to beginners. I would definitely recommend her. And it's just nice to have that type of trustworthy person to kind of discuss. She's been doing this for quite some time as well. I believe a lot of these YouTubers have. This isn't just a craft that they just picked up one day. This is something that they have been doing for years. So that's why I figured I'd do a video like this to kind of shout them out, thank them for, you know, whether they or not they see that, because a lot of them are bigger YouTubers, but to thank them for just encouraging to revisit a craft that I absolutely love. Temperature blankets, that's actually something that with the TL Yarn Crafts, I loved her information and her videos with the temperature blanket as well. Something I was not really trying to take on too quickly, but she definitely encouraged to just, you know, as long as you keep it simple, you can do it. So those are my crochet channel shout outs, my favorite crochet channels. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.